Hi everybody, how's everybody doing? I would like to officially present you to my YouTube channel. My name is Kimberly Akufo and I finally did this. Yes, I'm here on the YouTube. I've actually been telling myself I'm going to start a YouTube channel for over 3 years now, and it's not for any reason but my own passions of, displaying what I'm good at. So officially, again, this is the time. It's better now than ever. So welcome to my channel. It is known as the Kimmy Renaissance channel. So welcome. Please join me on this journey to success and to just looking fabulous. So what is this channel gonna encompass? What is this channel gonna be displaying? Well, number one, my first love, my very, very first passion ever since I was a wee little baby was fashion. Everything that has to do with fashion, style, I have loved ever since I was a child. Thought I was gonna outgrow it, but who really outgrows style? Like, everybody has their own style identity, and I just happen to have multiple. But I really want to kind of focus in and own in on fashion, especially thrifting, because I love thrifting. As I get older, I not only see how it helps me look, kind of independent and different from others, but just like it educates me on how people used to dress back in the day and how I can encompass that in today's world, and that is just amazing. I love thrifting. It's affordable, especially now. I recently graduated from college, still at my same job, and bills are piling up, so I need to save as much money as possible, and thrifting helps me do that while still looking amazingly fabulous. So I want to kind of own in on that on this channel. I also want to online boutique. I want to shop around in some of the most popular stores that we all know and love. How to style things is going to be a really big part of my channel, because sometimes you may have a fit that you're like not too sure about, but if you have, for example, a belt or a pair of accessories, you can really elevate that look that you weren't too sure about to begin with and make nothing into something. So I want to also focus on styling. So that all goes under the same umbrella. So people like Solange, people like Rihanna, people like SZA, Tracy Ellis Ross, just giving us slay after slay after slay. People like that. I've just been really looking at those bodies and just how they're just slaying in the industry. Another thing that I just want to hone in on is kind of natural hair. I've been natural for 3 years now, and I'm in no way, shape, or form a natural hairstylist. It's very hard for me to sometimes know what to do with my hair, because I'm not really good at braiding. But what I am good at is taking care of my hair and helping it grow and helping it retain its length. And that I can share with you by telling you some of the products that I use, some of the DIY products that I've been kind of mixing up myself for my hair, and what I do as far as like wash day routines and things like that. So I would love to share that with you guys as well as makeup. Not a makeup artist by any means at all. But sometimes here and there, I do dabble. Sometimes I come up with some looks and I'm just like, okay, Kim, I didn't know you did that. Oh, okay, all right. So if you guys are interested in that, I will also, again, very briefly display some of my favorite like makeup tips, or like what I do to kind of come up with this. Yeah, so makeup could have an element in this channel as well. Another thing that I want to also focus in on is kind of like topics that are going on around us in the world around us. So topics that pertain to technology, topics that pertain to politics, topics that pertain to just everything going on in the world, in the media, that affects us as upcoming adults, as the youth. I just want to focus in on that, just because I like to have conversations like that. I like to also hear feedback about conversations like that with you guys who are interested in having conversations about certain topics that pertain to us as younger people, pertain to us as Black people, and just how it affects us on our day-to-day basis. So this channel is also going to have that element. And finally, I also want to incorporate some lifestyle kind of hacks and tricks and kind of like things that I do outside of my room. If I feel as though, you know, there's something interesting going on, or there's something I want to take you guys on the journey with me to kind of partake in, I definitely will grab my camera and I will film it, and we will have a vlog about it. So definitely want to add some lifestyle kind of vlogs, maybe some vacations, things of that nature. And it's all a work in progress. It's all going to progress. I'm not saying that I'm giving you guys all this at one time. It's impossible. I just, it's not going to happen. For now, that is it, because that's all I can think about. And like I said, none of this is scripted. It's all in my, it's all here. It's all just spewing out. So yeah, if any of the blabbering that I've done on today's video has interested you in any way, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Again, this is the Kimmy's Renaissance channel. Please come on this journey with me, because it's not only therapeutic for me just to know that I'm finally pursuing something I'm very passionate about in fashion and in just having discussions about just everything that's going on, but it's also going to be helpful for some of you guys if you guys decide you want to go on this journey with me. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Subscribe, comment, and please hit that notification bell so that you know anytime that I post new content, and also that you can follow me in my fly. You know what I mean? So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you again for tuning into my introduction video, and I hope you guys stick around. I will see you guys on the next one.